Alright guys, we're going to take a look at creating a thumbnail in Pixels for a product that I did a video review on. So I used my ChatGPT account to create this for me right here. Tell it to give me a descriptive, give me an AI thumbnail prompt for this product here. And so I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm going to go over to my Pixels account. Going to have a new chat, and I'm going to paste that in here and make sure I'm going to click my persona that I've created previously, and I'm going to go ahead and click create. Now guys, if you're interested in using Pixels to create your own high quality thumbnails just like the big people, the big YouTubers create, also maybe if you're an influencer creating product review videos and you need better thumbnails, remember the competition is stiff out there, right? So you're going to have a great video, but if you don't have a great thumbnail, it's likely that you're not going to get many views on it. So you can use Pixels like I've been doing to save time and a lot of extra effort, and you can create some really quality thumbnails for your videos that you've been doing. So we'll see how this one turns out here. If you're interested in using Pixels, I have a affiliate link in the description of the video, along with my very own 50% off discount code that you can use for your first month of Pixels. So if you want to give Pixels a try, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description along with my 50% discount code, and you can get started making your own fantastic thumbnails just like I've been doing. Pixels is just an amazing product, just really taking your thumbnails to the next level, guys. Just incredible what you can do. It's really amazing. Let's see what we've created here with this prompt. Okay, now you can see what we've created here. One thing you'll notice, I'll say this, the thumbnail images might not be exactly like the product that you're trying to describe, but they're going to be pretty close. Okay, they're going to be close enough. So I would use this easily. For the product review video that I've made. This product doesn't look exactly like the product, but the picture of me sitting there pointing and in a room there like that, that picture is going to be enough to represent a realistic portrayal of what the product is I'm talking about. Okay, so this is an example of what you can do. Think about how hard it would have been to get me in a nice situation like that, smiling, looking good, the lighting, how many pictures I would have had to taken to get me to have a room like that that's so nice and neat and perfect looking like that. How hard that would have been to create that on your own. Well, you can do that now with Pixels. When you, again, I uploaded pictures of myself previously, so I have my own persona is what it's called on Pixels. So you just click use my persona, create a product review of me pointing at a mattress cover, whatever it is, and boom, there you go. So it's amazing, really it is. Guys, if you want to give it a try for yourself, use the affiliate link in the description of the video along with the 50% off discount code for your first month of Pixels. You'll also support me and the efforts here of my channel and me trying to help you. Okay, so good luck with your own incredible thumbnails using Pixels.